Recreating Gigi Hadid's makeup using Peripera products. So Peripera is a Korean brand which is now available in India on Macaroon Beauty. And first I'm using the double long wear cushion cover foundation. This one has SPF 45 and this is the shade Pure Ivory, which is a little light for me. That's why I used it as a concealer. Next, I'm applying the Peripera Ink Airy Velvet Tint in Rosy Pink as a blush. Just like its name, it's literally airy and the formula is very easily blendable and velvety, and I think their airy velvet tints are one of their best selling products. After this, I'm using the Ink V shading bronzer in 01 Almond Brown, and it's a very light bronzer which I feel is good. Then is the Sunshine Cheek blush in the shade 01 Calm Pink, just topping over on the tint that we applied earlier. After this, I'm applying the Peripera All Take Mood palette in the shade 01 Mood Breathing. It's a neutral brown toned palette, and just applying the lighter brown shade as a base and then the darker brown shade on my crease. On top of this, I'll be applying the Peripera Ink Tint Serum in the shade 10 So Raspberry. Just as its name, it's a serum kind of formula, which means it's a little bit shiny and glossy. And yeah, so I'll be applying that, and it's not an exact recreation of Gigi's look, but it's somewhat similar. We're working with the products that we have. Then I applied those glitter shades in the inner part of my eye and on my lower lash line, and then just darkening the pink a little bit more. Finishing the eye look with some mascara and we're done. And after this, I'll be applying the Peripera Ink V highlighter in 01. It's not a harsh highlighter at all and gives the face a nice soft glow. And for the lips, I'm using the Ink Airy Velvet Tint in 03 Cartoon Coral. I'm using this shade as a base color for the lips. On top of this, I'll be applying the same tint that we used for the eyes in the shade 10 So Raspberry, just spreading it out, focused more on the inner side of the lips. I've put the purchase link for all Peripera products in my description below, and if you purchase from the Macaroon Beauty app, you get a 10% off on your entire purchase. Just applying a nude brown color to make the lips a little more neutral and not too bright pink. I obviously couldn't use all the products here in this video, but you can go to my Instagram and see an ASMR unboxing of the products I got from Peripera. Bye!